Morning, everybody. Strain off Noni. Such a blessing. We have a neighbor that every day he puts out Noni on his wall. So when it drop him, pick it up, put it on the wall. So we go and wash it and put it off the strain. What's my word this morning? Love, give. When you send your children to school, teach them how to love other children. Teach them how to share. Teach them how to be kind. Because many children are not getting love at home. Parents are intoxicated. Parents, a lot of them are grow themselves. If you follow what is happening in America, a lot of children left in a house by themselves. For 5 years, the parents forgot that the children were in the home. A friend of my daughter called me. She sent me a message last week. She found me on TikTok. And she said, I am so happy to see you, call her mommy. And she started reminding me of some things. And she said, you were such a good mother to all of us. Her house, all right, my children used to come home for lunch before I start working out because I don't like the outside food. So I would cook and my children would come home every day for lunch because it is close by. It is 5 minutes. My daughter friends said when they come to my house in the days, they could just go around the table and take up any lunch that was there because I would not make a division into who get 2 dumplings or who get what. She said I would share the lunch equally, that everybody get the same amount of food. And when I send my children to school in the days, I give them an extra snack. And I tell them, be kind. Never you eat and somebody beside you is hungry. So just in case we pick them and go quark, because we grow them like a boot camp, you know. Just in case them are go complain and say, other picnic eat off them lunch or eat their snacks, I gave them an extra snack in their bags to walk with. Teach your children love. Teach your children to be kind. Teach your children to hurt nobody, but to let nobody hurt them. Parents, we have a job to do. And my children are living around the world, and I don't have to worry because they are kind. They continue to look out for other people's children. And you know, my children have their friends from 15, 20 years. My children have their friends from basic school, and one is 35, one is 32, and one is 26. And my children have all their friends from basic school. Teach your friends to be loving. Teach your children to be loving and kind. Happy Friday, everybody. Tomorrow is our anniversary.